Ever sent an email that vanished without a trace? Silence. Generic, send to everyone email gets ignored and never reaches the inbox that mattered. Targeted email marketing fixes that. The right message to the right person at the right time. It starts with knowing who your customers really are, what they want, and when. Segment your audience by interests, habits, and demographics. Then make it personal, because no one wants to feel like a row in a database. Write a subject line that earns the open, like the cover of a book worth reading. Put their name inside, with content that genuinely speaks to them. Selling yard care? Reach new homeowners about spring cleanup. Run a gift shop? Reach them right before Mother's Day with the gift already chosen. Always close with one clear call to action. They should never wonder what to do next. Not sure what works? A/B test 2 versions and let the data decide. Then keep optimizing as results come in, a little sharper every week. The payoff? Higher engagement and readers who look forward to your emails. Sharper insights, more conversions, and a stronger return on investment. Mailchimp builds your customer personas and segments your audience for you. Then sends to exactly the right people automatically. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. Targeted email marketing. Start today.